In this video, I'm showing you how to repost on LinkedIn to double your post impressions. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to repost on LinkedIn, how to use LinkedIn reposting to get more impressions, how to delete reposts on LinkedIn, and how to repost to your LinkedIn company page. First of all, let's start with how to repost on LinkedIn. First thing to do is to come to your LinkedIn feed. Then you can find a post and you'll see this large repost button. On mobile, I think the repost button is much smaller, but it's basically in the same place. It looks like a Twitter retweet button. Click this repost button and then you'll have two options. Repost with thoughts. This allows you to add some text to your repost. It's kind of like a quote tweet. And then you have repost, which is just like a normal Twitter retweet. So repost just posts this post on your feed, and then repost with thoughts allows you to add more context to the post. If you're gonna repost someone else's post, you always want to repost with thoughts. There's no point just reposting. All that's gonna do is dilute the content on your profile. And if you wanna use your LinkedIn profile to get leads, really forget reposting, yeah? Forget reposting other people's content, but you can use reposting to double the impressions of your own content, and I'll be showing you how to do that in a bit. To actually repost, you click repost. We're gonna do repost with thoughts, because if you are gonna repost someone else's content, you should be adding thoughts. If I was going to add some thoughts to someone's content, then I would either create a title that would make someone curious enough to check it out, or I'd add my added opinion to it. But really do that in the comment section. You'll get more views on your profile. It just makes more sense. It's more beneficial to you and to the person whose post you're commenting on. This whole reposting other people's posts, stop it. Okay, but if you want to repost this post, you click post. That's how that's done. Now I'm going to show you how to use reposts to actually double the impressions on your content. So we're going to discard this. How do you use reposts to double the impressions on your posts? This is how you do it. You post your post and then 8 hours later you repost, because then you're posting to a different time zone. So as you can see, we're about 7 hours later. I could repost this right now, but I don't want to mess with this post today. I want to see how it does by itself. So instead, let's repost this post. So if you repost 8 hours later, you basically get to hit 2 time zones. So you can do this twice in a day. You can start by uploading your post at like 8 a.m., reposting at 4 p.m., and then reposting again at 10 p.m. And that will get you hitting 3 time zones. I'm unsure if there's declining returns after reposting a few times, so keep that in mind. So this is how you repost your post. I would never add more thoughts to a post that you've already posted. I would just hit repost. So you just hit repost and then it's automatically reposted to your profile. And then this is how you delete a repost. Let's delete this really quickly so no one sees it. You go to your activity, you go to posts. If you don't know how to do this, let me go to my profile real quick and show you how to get here. Go to your profile, scroll down, and then here you'll see your activity, your post, comments, and all that sort of stuff. You go to show all posts, and then here you click these 3 dots and you click delete repost. And then you click delete. Be careful when you're doing this, because sometimes it says, do you want to delete this post? And on a mobile, it says, do you want to delete this post? And it doesn't make it clear that it's a repost. So you might accidentally delete an actual post if you're not paying attention here. So make sure you're paying attention. I do think it's worth going through and cleaning up any reposts so that when people go to your profile, they can just see your post without seeing a bunch of reposts there. Now I'm going to show you how to repost as your company page. So in order to do this, come to your profile again if you're going to be reposting your own posts. Then click repost with your thoughts. At this point, you want to click this drop down menu. Then you want to click this drop down menu. Then click the company you want to repost as, click save, click done. Then click post, or you can add some thoughts and add some writing if you want to do that, but we're just going to click post right now, and then we can go yes, repost, and we can view this repost, and as you can see, it's on our company page. So let's go to our company page, and here we can see our repost, which I will of course delete. If you never want to run out of LinkedIn content ideas, you can create 2 months of LinkedIn content with my 74 LinkedIn post ideas and hooks with examples. Click on the link in the description to download it for free or scan the QR code on screen. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to download these post ideas and hooks because they won't be free and available forever. So download them now. If you got any questions or any other tutorials you want me to make, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video.